Today we are going to learn how to do the underhand arm wrap. So with the underhand motion, you can do wrist wrap where you have your anchor hand closer to your wrist like this. Or you can have arm wrap where your anchoring hand is closer to the elbow. So for the underhand arm wrap, there are two main ways of doing it. So one is wrapping over your right hand on the right side, so on the same side, or wrapping over the right hand on the left side, the opposite side. So let's start with the same side first. What you're going to do is you're going to just do underhand swings. And when you swing over to the right, if you want to go straight into the wrap, what you do is when you swing it over to the right, your right hand needs to come out further than your left hand like so. So it's going to look like this, like that. So that's step one, swing over, right hand like that. And what's going to happen is it's going to come over and wrap around the back of your right hand and come under like this. So that's step one. And then step two is you let it come over a second time. Step three, then you can push it over to the other side. If it hasn't come over the front a second time yet, if you just pull it over, then it's not really a wrap. You haven't actually wrapped the rope around your hand yet. So make sure it comes over that second time. So it's going over and then crossing like actually one loop around here. And that loop is what you can push it over to the opposite side with. And then you unwrap it. So over, wrap, wrap, unwrap, unwrap. Over, wrap, 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 and wrap. Like so. Right, so from the side, right hand forward, wrap, wrap, to the other side. Wrap, wrap, to the other side. The alternative is instead of letting it wrap around your right hand right away when you bring it over, is to let it complete one loop first, and then you switch your right hand out like that. That way you have a bit more time to come out. So out one round, over, over, and go to the opposite side and unwrap. One, wrap, wrap, switch, unwrap, unwrap. Over, wrap, wrap, cross over, unwrap, unwrap. So to do it on the other side, you start with underhand swings on your right side. When you bring it to the left, I want you to have your right hand come out like that, further than your left hand. And your left hand is going to be near your elbow, right? So over and have it out like that. Now I want you to continue to swing so that it wraps around like that. Now that it's wrapped around once, you can bring it back to the right and unwrap, okay? So right hand, underhand swings on the right side, cross over, let it wrap, pull it back over, unwrap. Cross over, let it wrap, pull it back, unwrap. Cross over, let it wrap, pull over, unwrap. On the other side, cross over, let it wrap, and then I push it over.